Now we are discussing about the chemical business options. In that today we are discussing about the ceramic colors manufacturing. How are ceramic pigments made? The raw materials, usually oxides or carbonates, are carefully mixed in mills such as ball mills, often with mineralizer. As ball mills often with mineralizer agents, inorganic salts as NaCl, NaF and KNOG in order to facilitate the pigment crystallization. Next point is what colors are used in ceramics. Other colorants, that is antimony, used for yellow in low fire glazes. And cadmium, next is cadmium and selenium, very similar, producing bright reds. And gold gives a range of pink, red and purple. And ilmenite, that is as a colorant, very similar to black iron oxide. And iron chromite produces shades of grey, brown and black. And platinum gives grey. What is in ceramic? Ceramics are generally made by taking mixtures of clay, earthen elements, powders and water and shaping them into desired forms. Once the ceramic has been shaped, it is fired in a high temperature oven known as a kiln. Often ceramics are covered in decorative waterproof paint-like substances known as glazes. What chemicals? Next point is what chemicals are used to make ceramics. What chemicals are used to make ceramic? The most common ceramics are composed of oxides, carbides and nitrides, silicides, borides, phosphides, tellurides and selenides also are used to produce ceramics. Ceramic processing generally involves high temperatures and the resulting materials are heat resistant or refractory. And the next point is what are the three types of ceramics? There are three main types of ceramics are pottery ceramic, there are earthenware, stoneware and porcelain. These are the types of ceramics, that is earthenware, stoneware and porcelain. Next point is what is ceramic paint made of? What is ceramic paint made of? Ceramic car coating is made up of nanopolymer substance that serves as a protective shield for your car's paint. Essentially, the molecules in the automotive ceramic coating bond directly to the paint, sealing the top coat on a microscopic level. Which ceramic product is mostly used as pigment in paints? Lithophone, that is mixture of ZnS, BaSO4, is used as a pigment in paint. What are the three ceramic materials? Ceramics are more than pottery and dishes. That is clay, bricks, tiles, glass and cement are probably the best known examples. And the next point is what is the difference between clay and ceramic? Clay is a type of ceramic. The key difference between clay and ceramic is that clay contains moistened minerals such as aluminum silicates and crystalline silica, whereas ceramic contains metal oxides such as zirconium oxide, silica oxide or silica carbide. And the next point is what clay is best for ceramics. Porcelain and Kolean clays are virtually identical and are considered the best clays available for making pottery. There are also the most expensive. They are a largely silicate clay and are resistant to high temperatures. If you want to make high quality ware, then this type of clay is best for you. Next point is, what are the 7 stages of clay? Dry clay stage, slip stage of clay, plastic stage of clay, leather hard stage of clay, bone dry stage of clay, biscueware stage of clay, glaze firing stage of clay, and the secret 8th and final stage of clay is enjoying your creation. This is the information regarding your ceramic color manufacturing. Suppose if you want to do certain products in ceramic clay, ceramic products means I will do another video, you can see in that. Wishing you all the best.